Hello children. So in the previous video we have seen union of the sets, then intersection of the sets, how to represent the sets as a Venn diagrams. Okay. Now in this we'll be seeing the exercise 1.4, some questions, not the all. Now so the first question, find the union of each of the following pairs of sets. So here your x is given to be 1, 3, 5, y is given to be 1, 2, 3. Union means what? Union, that means it is the collection of all the elements of A as well as elements of B. Okay, if the numbers or elements are repeated, it should be written only once. So if I write x union y, it will be represented like this. The elements will be, first I'll be writing all the elements of x. So 1, 3, 5. Now while writing the elements of y, check whether if the element is repeated, then no need to write it. So in case of y, 1, but 1 already I have written, so that I won't write. 2, yes. 3 should I write? No. So this will be my x union y. So see whether x union y, it will be 1, 2, 3 and 5. Okay. Next is, if your A is equal to, that is your set of all vowels, that is A, E, I, O, U, and B is set of all, that is A, B and C. So what will be my union? It will be my A union B, that will be your A, B, C, E, I, O, U. The repeated elements should be written only once. Okay. Next, your A is a set. It contains x such that x is a natural number and it is a multiple of 3. It is a multiple of 3 and it is a natural number. So first multiple of 3 will be what? 3 itself. So next 6, 9 and so on. Okay, so this will be my set A. It will be an infinite set. Similarly, set B I'll be having as, it will be x such that x is a natural number less than 6. So I'll contain the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And A union B, it will be what? Can I say it will be only the multiples of 3? No. It will contain what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is a set of all natural numbers less than 6. And again it will have all the multiples of 3. So will it be 1, 2, 4, 5, 3, 6 or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and then it will be a all multiples of 3. Okay, or it can be written as A union B in a set builder form, x such that x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or a multiple of 3. Okay, either you can write in set builder or you can write in the roster form, no problem. Next is x, A contains x such that x is a natural number and 1 less than x is less than or equal to 6. Less than or equal to 6, that means 6 is included. So whether this is the set 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, yes, and B is a set which contains x is a natural number and 6 less than x less than 10. So a natural number between 6 and 10 I have to write. So is it 7, 8 and 9? So what will be my A union B? Each and every element of both the sets. Okay, so I'll be getting it as 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clear? Or you can write as a set builder form as x is a natural number such that 1 less than x less than 10. Because if you observe, all the elements are what? Natural numbers which satisfy the property, the numbers lying between 1 and 10. Next is A is equal to, it contains 1, 2, 3 and B is 5. 5 means no element in common. That means what is A union B? All elements of A and B. Yes, all the elements of B. But here B does not contain any element. That means A union B will be what? Your A set itself. Next, state whether each of the following statement is true or false. Justify your answer. You have to check whether the given two sets are disjoint or not. Disjoint means what? If there is no common element between them, there is no common element. That means if A intersection B is 5, then we say that the two sets are disjoint. Okay, so see the first one, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 3, 6 are disjoint set. 2, it is not there in the set. 3, yes, it is there. So whether will it be a disjoint? No, it will have 3 as a common element. Okay, so that sets are not disjoint. So the answer for it, that will be what? False. Okay, see the next one, A, E, I, O, U and A, B, C, D. Again, are they disjoint? Check whether is there any common element. Yes, you have A as an common element. So again, it won't be disjoint. I'll be having the Venn diagram. I will get A in between. So it won't be a disjoint set. Next, 2, 6, 10, 14 and 3, 7, 11, 15. Check 2, it is not there. 6, no. 10, no. 14, no. Similarly, 3, 7, 11 and 15 are not there in the first set. So may I say that there is no element common in both the set and hence they are disjoint sets. Okay. Next one, 2, 6, 10 and 3, 7, 11 are disjoint set. Check whether is there any common element? No. And hence that two sets are disjoint set. Okay. So disjoint set means what? If there is no element common in between two sets, then that two sets are said to be disjoint or they are separated sets. Now next. If A is equal to A comma B and B contains A, B, C, is A subset of B? Yes, whether A is subset of B, subset means what? Every element of A should be contained in B. Check. Yes, because A, B are contained in B. So, your A will be subset of B. Now, what will be my A union B? See, A union B means what? All elements of A as well as of B. So whether will I get the set B itself? Okay. If I want to represent a Venn diagram for A subset of B. Okay. If A is given to be A subset of B and you have to find what is A union B represented by a Venn diagram. Subset, that means will it be inside here? This is my B, this will be my A. Okay, so A will be subset of B and union means the whole set B it will be. Okay, the whole set B I have to color, I have to shade, and outside will be having the universal set U. Hope this is clear. Okay, if it is a subset, A should be included inside B. Okay, so union it will be what? The whole set B. The next is, if A and B are two sets such that A subset of B, then what is A union B? That is what we have said. If A is subset of B, then your A union B will be always what? B itself. Now, suppose if A is subset of B, now what can you say? What is my A intersection B? Yes, A subset of B, then what will be my A intersection B? Just see for this example itself. Yes, whether my A intersection B, intersection means what? Only the common things. So whether have I got the common values as A comma B itself? So whether for A subset of B, my A intersection B, I will get the smaller set, that is A. Okay, is that clear? Okay. See the next, you have been given A, B, C and D, and you have to find unions and all. Okay, so this I'm not going to, just I'm going to show only 5 and 6 because the rest are very easy. So suppose if 5 and, just check for the fifth one. See, the fifth is A union B union C. So I'll be writing it as A union B union C. That means what? All the elements of A, all the elements of B, as well as all the elements of C. Okay, so it will contain 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, whether 3, 4 will be there because already we have written. So is it 1, 2, 3, 4? 4 already is there. So 5, 6. Then C contains what? 5, 6, 7, 8. But 5, 6 already I have written. So it will be 7, 8. Okay. So A union B union C, you will get the set containing 1 to 8 elements. Okay, or in the roster set builder form I can write here A union B union C, it contains X such that X is a natural number and your X is less than or equal to 8. Okay, because the same I'll get 1 to 8 elements. Okay, 6th and 7th on this basis, same basis. Okay, next find the intersection of each pair. Just see, intersection is the common. See the third is X such that X is a natural number and multiple of 3, and it is a natural number. So whether can I write this will be the set 3, 6, 9 and so on. Then X is a natural number less than 6. So will it be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yes. Now in that two sets A and B, check whether what is the common element. It is only 3 and hence A intersection B will be equal to singleton 3. It contains only one element. Hope this is clear because this what we can say, this chapter itself is very easy. Okay, your intersection concept as well as your union concept. Hope this is clear to you all. Okay, next you have been given A, B, C and D. You have to find eighth. I'm going to do A intersection B union D. That means first I will find what is my B union D. Now B union D, will I get B 7, 9, 11, 13. Union D, that means it contains 15 and 17. So this is my B union D. Intersection with A. So this element intersection with A. Check whether 3 is in common. No. 5. No. 7. Yes. So 7 I have. So it is there 7, then 9 and 11. Okay. So no any other set. So first what you should do is find what is your B union D. Then after that write it as A intersection B union D. You will be getting it as, it will be just 7, 9 and 11. Okay, so this will be the answer for A intersection B union D. Similarly, for the next, find what is A intersection B, what is B union C, and then take the intersection. Then see whether what is the common part between both the sets. Okay, so hope this is clear. Okay, thank you.